Welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to find all your gaming app search history on Facebook web on PC after the new update. If you've been trying to track down your recent gaming activity, this quick guide will walk you through it step by step. First, open Facebook web on your computer and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner and click on your profile photo to open the main menu. From there, go into Settings and Privacy. When that section opens, click on Activity Log. This is where Facebook keeps different kinds of account activity, so you'll want to stay here for the next step. Now, select your Facebook activity. Inside this section, you'll see a list of different activity categories. Scroll through and click on Facebook Gaming. This will take you to the part of your account that stores gaming-related activity. Once you're in Facebook Gaming, look for your gaming app search history. Click on it, and you should now see the searches connected to your gaming activity. This is useful if you want to review something you searched before, check a game you visited recently, or simply keep track of what has been recorded on your account. If you don't see what you're looking for right away, take your time and scroll through the section carefully. Sometimes the new update changes, where certain options appear, but the steps are still very similar. Just follow the menu path again, and you should get to the right page. And that's it. You now know how to find your gaming app search history on Facebook web using a PC. It only